Steve 69 Merc. She runs good. Got to dig into the carb a little bit, but she runs good. Here comes some more goodies. Steve, I know you and I have been talking about a rattle. Is that it? Let me know. I think I know what it is. I think it's this baby right here. All right, so we're draining the oil. Supposedly they changed it before they shipped it to Steve, but you know what? I'm doing it anyway because they probably put something with no zinc and nothing to protect the old ass flat tappet lifters. So I'm gonna make it right and everything. But the oil is clean, as you can see. We're gonna put our usual VR1 Valvoline, high zinc, race car juju goodness with a bottle of the Lucas zinc additive, because you can never have enough zinc, especially in these old flat tappet motors. That's obviously one thing I've learned in my life of circle track racing, driving stock cars, and taking care of cars that weren't made in the last 20 years, which apparently nobody knows how to do now. But oil coming out's clean, so I'm not mad about that at all, but we're going to ensure we have the good stuff in here. Got the filter loose. Yahtzee. Looking pretty clean. Halfway decent. Our drain plug over there. We're gonna wipe up, put on our new filter, put oil in this baby, and then work our way back to the trans. Check out this 80s spectacular NOS Motorcraft filter. It's beautiful. It's so cool. Look at the Motorcraft stamped in the top. Shout out to Justin. Shout out revision of 489. Late 80s, early 90s. NOS FL1A Motorcraft filter. Really cool. Definitely better than putting some Fram or some new Motorcraft off the shelf. It's clean, it's perfect. We're actually going to fill it with our zinc additive and then pop it up on the car. Oil filter, check. Oil's going in. Here's a quick little fun fact. Notice how there's the tabs for the valve cover gaskets on the valve covers? Here's a little lost detail that nobody does. But if you observe, note the staple holding the gasket in the tab. People, this is the ultimate high detail. This is from the factory. This has never been screwed with. All right, cranks are over. Got that new oil circulating. Gonna let it run a little bit. Next time you see this, we're going to dig into that carburetor a little bit because there's a little bit of a stumble. We're going to service the trans, service the diff, and inspect the brakes. That's all coming up.